Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about stacks in C. So let's start. Let's start with definition. Stack is a group of elements which are grouped according to LIFO principle. Now, what is LIFO principle? LIFO principle is last in first out principle that tells us how the elements are stacked in the stack. Few properties of the stacks are easy to track elements, can solve Tower of Hanoi problem. Now, what is stack operations? Peak operation. That peak operation tells us what element is at the top of stack, meaning the last element that was pushed into the stack. Push operation. Push operation stores the element into the stack at the last position. Pop operation. Pop operation removes the last element, or you can say the top element from the stack. Now, implementing a stack in C. Uh, for beginners, there are two main For beginners, there are two main methods like array-based implementation and linked list implementation. When we use simple arrays to implement stacks, then that is called array-based stack implementation. Linked list implementation, when we use linked list to implement stack, then that is called linked list implementation. Stack applications. Expression evaluation. Using stacks, we can evaluate expression and turn them into infix to post from infix to postfix or prefix. Now, function call stack. Using using stack, we can understand function call. Using stack, we can understand function call stack backtracking algorithm. We can easily backtrack an algorithm in stacks for better understanding and error detection. Now, implications and importance. Like for business applications, stacks are used in business for managing data, inventory, processing tasks in a sequential manner. Importance in data structures. Understanding stacks is a crucial and efficient data organization for an initial for efficient data organization and manipulation in various applications. Technical significance. In computer science, stacks play a key role in memory allocation, function calls, and expression evaluation. Now, difference between stack and queue. Data structure concept. A stack follow the last in first out principle, while queue adhere to first in first out logic. Sequential access. Stacks allow access to only the topmost element, whereas queue enable access to both ends for insertion and removal of element. Usage of implement Usage and implementation. Stacks are commonly used in algorithms recursion and parsing, while queue are used in scheduling, buffering, and data retrieval. Now, here are some sample codes for stack implementation. So let us understand. First, we are defining max size as 100, and we are declaring a input integer array stack, and we are defining and initializing our top as -1. Then we are creating a first function as is empty to check if the stack is empty or not. Now, its output will should be boolean, but here it's written integer, that is wrong. Now, for the next, int is full. Here also the output should be boolean, but okay. The return it will return as 0 or 1, I guess. The return will be top equal to max size -1. So the first function is empty. Return equal to top -1. So uh, if it will check if the stack is empty or not. Now the second is full. Return top equal to max size minus 1. It will check if the stack is full or not by checking that top is equal to minus by checking the top is equal to max size or not. Now void push int item. Here the function push is taking a parameter item, and first it's checking if the stack is full or not. If it's full, it will return a message saying stack is full and close the function. Else, it will increment the top and add an element into the stack. Now, the pop function. It will first check if the stack is empty or not. If it's empty, it will return minus 1 and print a statement saying stack underflow. If not, it will return stack having top having a decremented top. Now, int peak. Here, the peak function here the peak function first check if the stack is empty or not. If it's empty, it will say stack is empty and return minus 1. Else, it will return the topmost element of the stack. And in the main function, you can see we are first pushing three elements 1, 2, 3, and as we are pushing one first and at the last we are pushing three, so three will be at the top. So top element, the next statement, top element will be the three will be three, and then we are popping one element, so the pop element will also be 3, and now if we check the top element will be 2. So that's all from my side. In conclusion, I will say significance of stack it reiterating the importance and revaluation of stacks in C programming and data structure operations are very very important. uh, Practical implementation, reflecting on practical application of stack implementation in various programming scenarios like Tower of Hanoi, uh, continued learning, encouraging further exploration and learning about advanced stack operation and application in C. Individual can continuously understand and build logic in stack operation and continue learning. Thank you. That's all from my side.